Magandang araw po, teachers. So ito na po itong pinakahihintay na po natin. Ito pong National Budget Circular or yung budgeting process po ng ating salary increase. So ito po ay yung implementation of the first tranche of the updated salary schedule for civilian government personnel under Executive Order EO number 64. So ito po yung ating salary increase. So ito pong circular na to ay para po magkaroon po ng guidelines, rules and regulation kung paano po i-implement yung ating first tranche of our updated salary schedule. Ito pong first tranche implementation of the updated salary schedule for civilian personnel ay effective po this year. Ang start po ay January 1, 2024. So maka-expect po tayo na meron pong retroactive na mangyayari dahil ang increase po ay dapat po ay simula po noong January. Ito pong ating salary increase ay manggagaling po sa Miscellaneous Personal Benefits Fund or MPBF and any available appropriations under Republic Act number 11975 or the fiscal year 2024 General Appropriations Act or GAA. Now, kailan po kaya ang release ng funds ng ating salary increase? So, the DBM or the Department Budget and Management shall release to the agencies concerned the Special Allotment Release Orders or SARO to implement the first tranche of the salary adjustment prescribed under EO number 64. So maghihintay po tayo ng SARO from DBM para tuloy-tuloy na po yung pag-release po ng ating salary. The SARO shall be released directly to the operating units of the agencies concerned on the number of field positions as of December 31, 2023. So yan po, teachers, ito po yung hinihintay po natin. Ito naman pong SARO na ilalabas po ng Department of Budget and Management for our salary increase. So yun lang po, teachers. So ang effectivity po nito ay ito pong compensation adjustment authorized your initial retro act on January 1, 2024. So let's hope and pray na tuloy-tuloy na po yung pag-release ng ating salary differential na mag-start po ng January 2024. And hopefully, mabigay po ito ng maaga. And sa ating po next video, check po natin kung gaano po kaya kaaga mabibigay itong ating salary differential or ating salary. So, don't forget po to subscribe and hit that notification bell para updated po tayo pag may mga latest news about EdTech. Na po at maraming salamat.